So kom ek ontpak nou die goed vir julle. Nommer 1, jy's laat. You were late. What kind of image is that? Number 2, you took everybody with, and if you could take a couple of pot plants with, you would have put them in seats as well. You needed people. Yes, you, Cyril, you coward. You needed to take businessmen, people that made their millions out of golf, non-politicians to come and back you up. That's what you did. That's wat jy gedoen het. Jy het maatjies gesoek, want jy het geweet ons gaan jou moer by eerste pause by die cricketnette. That's wat jy gedoen het. Now let me quickly tell you, you and the bunch of people that sat on those couches, you were an embarrassment. And let me tell you, the biggest sign of embarrassment, you can maar go dissect it, jy kan maar nou gaan kyk. Die grootste klap in jou gesig is dat J.D. Vance, die minister van verdediging wat daar gesit het van Amerika, en Elon Musk, dat hulle nie met jou gepraat het nie. They didn't even engage you. They didn't even recognize you in a discussion.